look at this double waterfall we caught. Isn't that beautiful? Just some amazing picturesque scenes, but the rain also causing some problems.
Hey, now tweeting out these pictures of a rock slide along State Route 89, about 7 miles south of Prescott. Only one lane open as crews were working to get the boulders off the road.
Amber, that steady rain wasn't that bad here, but other places it really caused some damage.
Yeah, one of the areas we saw Katie hit the hardest, was Lake Montezuma. So meteorologist John Patrick went there today to talk to the families that were impacted.
Rolling thunder, kind of, is how I can describe it, because there was big giant boulders rolling down the creek. You could hear that. It shook the ground.
That's a sound the Hammond family won't soon forget, but it's the amount of water that they took on that washed away their memories.
It was a lot of water then, but in about 15 minutes, it raised about a foot, so we knew it was coming up really fast.
The creek peaked at about 10 feet high, 5 times its normal depth. Dan Hammond has called the area home for nearly 30 years, but this is the first time the water has actually gotten inside.
We actually started a wall of sandbags across here to try to keep the waves from coming in and lapping the house, but then it started going over the 3-bag high wall here, so we had to move all the bags back to the house and stack higher.
Hammond said at least 20 homes along the creek were hit hard. The community came together to get sandbags in place, but they just couldn't keep up.
So we started bringing loads back, truck after truck after truck, and started stacking them against the house, trying to keep the water out, but it was coming up so fast.
For many, it was too much, forced to leave their homes behind.
And it becomes very difficult to figure out what to do.
The family is now trying to salvage what they can, like the hardwood floors the Hammond's late father laid with his bare hands. They're just fortunate that no one was hurt in the process.
Yeah, we still got lucky. I mean, we really did. It could have been much worse.
John Patrick, ABC 15, Arizona.
And we still have flood warnings ongoing tonight. Tonto Creek under a flood warning till 11:30 p.m. And up north near Winslow and areas south, Jacks Canyon, Clear Creek, and Chevelon Creek all under flash flood warnings till 7:15 tonight. Not a lot of rain to track left. You can see a little bit of green showing up on clouds and radar down to our south here, but we don't expect any